I bought from IKEA these mirrors because I want to do a DIY. Now this is what I don't show you. This is the reality of my floors. It's not perfect, but it's done. And yes, that took 28 seconds.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a bit of a catch up on just some of the things that I suppose have been put on the back burner since, you know, a really busy year last year. My mental health also wasn't right, and then I also had Talia all Christmas holidays, so I haven't had really the opportunity to get a lot of things done, and things have been just, as I said, put on the back burner. So yeah, we're getting those things done today. If it is a bit mismatched, it's because I'm just recording whenever I sort of get time to and putting this video together, so I hope it all makes sense. But yes, right now I had just been applying for jobs. So that is one of the things that I needed to do, obviously, to get back on track and to start my new career, because I now do have a certificate in mental health. And I'm happy to say I have just picked up a casual job. Yeah, so I am excited, I am scared, I have all the feels right now, but yeah, I am excited to be able to actually go to work and know that I've helped someone for the day. And that is exactly why I wanted to sort of get into this industry. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump into today's video.
So a little while back, I bought from IKEA these mirrors because I wanted to do a DIY. You know, those floor to ceiling mirrors that kind of look like windows, and they're like, can be pretty expensive as well. Yeah, that was my intention, but now I have another idea and I want to get your opinion. So I thought we'd blue tack them to the wall and we can just kind of see what it looks like. My only downfall is, like, if I move and I've got a place with like 2 windows either side, like in here. In this room there's 2 windows either side, so if I put my bed there, which a lot of people have said too, then I wouldn't be able to have the mirrors. But anyway, I haven't done that here because it gets really moldy, these windows, like a lot of condensation, and with a material bed like mine, it would just get moldy behind it, and I don't want to risk it. And B, these neighbours are really loud and can be so loud at night time, and so putting my bed right up to the window is a big no-no in here. But yeah, the reality is I could end up being here for another 2 years. Like, I just don't know what's going to happen with work and things like that. We'll blue tack this to the wall, and yeah, let's see what it looks like, and you give me your opinion because I'd love to know. You out, so we can get a little closer now. Let's hear what's on your mind. 'Cause all this time I've been wondering, are you feeling what I'm feeling, or should I just let this slide? Okay, I know it's really hard to see, isn't it? But that's what I'm thinking. It's hard to see, one, because it's got plastic on, but two, because it's got this white thing on. It hasn't been very helpful, has it? I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? So it's going to be like a window, so I'll have like the black frame and then the black down the middle. I'm not going to be keeping these mirrored bedside tables. So that is another aspect as well. I'll put the decor there and I'll see what you guys think, if it makes any difference. Okay, that is with some decor. I actually think it looks all right. So I've just looked through the bag and I've got heaps and heaps and heaps. So that's the other question is, do I just do 4 or do I do 6? Okay, I couldn't help myself. This is option 2, guys, with all the, like, there's 6 mirrors instead of 4. I actually really like it. I think I like this option better. What do you guys think? Do you reckon 4 or 6? I would love to know. Could just be me. I'll put a picture of both up on the screen so you can see what you think. Okay, now I'm just wondering if I'm overthinking it, because these are going to be slightly wider than these bedside tables, but if I get wider bedside tables and I have more room, am I going to want this to be wide? So should I add another row down that side? And yes, you wouldn't see it in this bedroom because it would be behind the bed, but should I do that just in case? Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm so confused. These are probably sitting there for another 2 years now because I just won't know what to do with them. Now this is what I don't show you. This is the reality of my floors. They are absolutely, hands down, disgusting. Like seriously, everywhere you look. I don't even know what it is. That would have to be cat food. Yep. Gross. And there's even paint on the ground because Talia decided that even though she had an easel there, that painting was a good idea on the ground. That is so disgusting. Like I haven't even, I've just done the kitchen and that's it. I'm gonna have to change that water before I do anywhere else in the house.
So as you can see, my gardens are looking much worse for wear and the lawns were just covered in dandelions. I did not mow the lawns. Well, I did, but I didn't show mowing the lawns, but they got done and I don't remember the last time they were done. Yes, I'm one of those people that used to like literally mow the lawns probably like once a week, once a fortnight, and yeah, so it did end up looking heaps better, but you'll be able to see the weeds were just out of control. So that was the areas that I wanted to go ahead and get as much done as I could. The driveway in particular was giving me the absolute shits because whenever I like drive into my garage, I'm constantly getting hit with weeds, so that really needed to be addressed. I literally filled up my green bin and then I filled up the wheelbarrow and had nowhere for the rest of the weeds to go. So I didn't end up finishing this area, but it still looked a hell of a lot better. Just sitting on the steps outside, the stillness frees our mind. Now I did ask you guys in one of these videos what this tool is called, and it's actually called a scraper, and I said it scrapes things. I don't know, I feel like I was having a big, like I felt so blonde. Anyway, if you didn't know what it is, leave a comment below. Look who's watching his mummy, little Whiskey. Hi baby. Oh, I wish I could let you outside, darling. Yes I do. Holy bejesus, that is done. He's not perfect, but it's done. And yes, that took 28 seconds to use that blower vac, and I was sweeping it before. Like, why didn't I get one of these earlier? This is what I got. I got it a little while ago. It's just a steel one, and it's the battery powered as well. So it's got this battery in the back here. It's the same battery as my mower, so that's why I got this particular one. The only deal is you get a 15-minute charge on it, but if it takes 28 seconds to do that area, I should be able to do the whole yard in less than 15 minutes. Let's decide to help with the gardening now. She's seeing the blower vac out. You know what that means? I have a gardening helper. So she has to help me weed the garden first. I think I got a good deal. So I was actually thinking about things that I would never want to live without, and one is like a blower vac, or you know, those simple things in life that make your life easier, or the things that you absolutely love and value. And now that I've been reducing things that I have for years, I was wondering if you'd like to see a video on something like that. Oh my gosh, look at how much better that looks. Woohoo!
Yay. I got dust in my eyes.
Yeah, I got dust in my eyes too, and in my mouth. That side's obviously not done. But at least these are weeded.
Dust got in my eye, see?
Look at your hair. Oh my gosh, you need to wash that tonight. Okay, this is another one of my work in progress projects, and that is the photo books. So I'm using an app called Once Upon, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. This particular night it was a very glitchy. I was a little bit worried it was the program itself, so I ended up looking at reviews. The reviews were actually really good reviews. The one thing that some people did say is that the photo quality wasn't very good, but then they do put a little exclamation mark and it will sort of tell you that the photo quality is not good. Positives, I think it looks great, like it's quite minimalist and it's easy to use, but the negative side I would say is it is a little bit restrictive. So if you want to put filters on your photos, I don't see any options for that. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, this is just my experience of using it quickly, or making the photos like black or white. The photo books themselves do come in 2 different sizes, and then you can choose a black cover or a white cover. If you want a little bit of a sneaky hack, yes, a sneaky hack. This is something I did. I actually ended up going onto Canva Pro and I just picked out a template and I just put my photos in them. And then what I did is I downloaded that and I put it in this in one of the pages. So that gave me a whole new layout and a whole new looks, because you can pick your texts as well as your layouts and even colors and things like that. So I thought that was really just a little bit of a sneaky hack. If you're not a Canva Pro member, then the ones with the crowns won't let you use them, so you are restricted on Canva Pro in that sense. But honestly, there's heaps of stuff that you can use for free. I was using it for free for many years. The other thing that I really liked about this app is the fact that I can work on it and then I can walk away and then I can come back and work on it again. So I might only have 5 minutes to spare and I can just work on a page and then leave it. Another thing that I also like is the fact, because it does save them on there, even when you printed them, apparently it saves it on there. You can go back and reprint those photo books. So if you've got Christmases or birthdays or family members and you want to gift them one of your photo books, you've already got your present right there, and they're really affordable.